Hey boy. We want to go get some food. What do you want to come?
Sure. I got this cool mom and pop shop I can take you guys to.
All right, I'll see you in a minute. Hello.
Hi. That sneaky visitor.
Ivan, where are you taking us? Because it's been a few hours and this looks like an airport.
Don't worry about it, we'll be there soon. Alright, hang on.
Ivan, I'm pretty sure this looks like an airplane.
It's my car, dude. Never been in my car before?
I have to be honest, I don't know anything about cars, so for all I knew, he was telling the truth.
We just got off the plane, 15-hour flight. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Are we close to where you're taking us, Ivan?
Not yet. Yeah, just a little bit more.
Where is he taking us? This is the most expensive Uber ride I've ever had, and Jam started to feel the same way as I did.
Alright, Ivan. It's been 2 days now. Everyone's asleep. No one's gotten anything to eat. Do you even know where you're going?
This is the face of a man who knows where he's going, and I had nothing but faith in him.
We'll be there soon, I think.
You said that a day ago. It's been a day.
Maybe I made a mistake.
Has it?
I forgot Ivan has this rare disease where if he thinks about time too much, he loses consciousness. It's a real problem.
Mira.
So you got a gachapon machine from a gachapon machine?
Yeah. What's up, guys? I got this one. Yeah.
There's sleeping animals.
We started getting desperate. It's been 2 days since we've eaten anything.
I'm gonna miss that.
Look, they have like a corn soup. Do you want a corn soup?
No.
Look at Ivan's dumb face.
It's been 33 hours since we left my house, and we all needed a shower and shit. Ivan stopped us in front of a random apartment and said he knew someone who lived there. He went to the back and we heard some glass break, and he let us in through the front. But at this point, we didn't question it.
This is the room we're staying in.
Wow. That looks nice from over there. And
Here's
from
our
over
view.
there.
After I showered, I had to figure out where we were. Where does it take 33 hours to get to? The answer is Tokyo. We're in Tokyo, Japan. We're as far away as possible from my house, so I thought it was finally time.
Alright, Ivan, it's been about 6,000 miles in 3 days. Are we there yet?
Right there, you didn't see it? You don't?
No, we're...
Little mom and pop shop.
Yes, you heard right. McDonald's. Ivan thinks McDonald's is a little mom and pop shop, and he brought us all the way across the globe to bring us there. What do I even do at this point? There's not much we could have done at this point, so since me and Jam knew the city a little bit, we decided to stick around for a while. But that's not to say I won't get my revenge on Ivan. It will come at some point in these videos.
There's the Godzilla. Look at that, huge.
Oh look, there's almost in this.
Yeah. It's first night in Shinjuku. And alright. There we go. Hanging out in Kabuchiko. And I'm gonna finally try to win something out of UFO catcher. You're not gonna make a fool out of me this year. And this time, Carl and Ivan are here. What do you think try to win?
I want that Kirby in it.
Pick him up? Aww. Almost. Hold on, it wasn't recording. Do that again. How do I do this? I have no clue. It's just Guitar Hero, but playing a drum. Got it. All of us lost about, what, at least $20 to $30 at the arcade. So we got sad and decided to come get food. And Jam's like falling asleep.
That's how our first night ended, but we were there for a week, so a lot of stuff happened. Subscribe and like for more of Tokyo 2018.